call this rank POT, then rank POT. I've said rank because I'm going to use the rank function. So I come and say I'm going to rank this. Come and say equals to the rank function. The rank function takes up 3 arguments, whereby the last one is optional. So I'll use these two, the number and the reference argument. The number, I'm going to use this. I'm going to rank this. Okay. The reference, for the range over which I would like to rank, I'm going to consider the whole of this range to down here. So I'm going to rank this over that range, and then I'll make this range, this very reference, an absolute reference like this. So I'm simply using F4 to turn to absolute reference. So the very F4 turns to mixed, and then that's still mixed. This is a relative, then it goes back to absolute. The same thing to this one here. Then I press enter. Then I copy this for the rest of the other cells. So they say this is number 1, this is number 2. Pressing on this one has a higher total than this one. So this, the rest are number 3s. So to avoid this mess, I'm going to offer some error handling here. I'm going to say if this range is equals to 0, okay, put in anything else, put this result and I'll close. So I'll copy this for the rest of the other cells. I want to see this series appearing here. Okay, I'll go to this one and I say rank of number. This is the number. Then the reference, I'm going to take the whole of this range, and then I'll make this reference absolute. Then I press enter. And I copy the formula for the rest of the other cells. So I don't want this mess appearing it like this. I would prefer to leave everything empty. I'll say if this range is equals to 0, put nothing, just option 0, or else put the value of the rank. Got the last one because the rank. I'm now ranking the end of term. Ranking the end of term, and I say the value in this one for the number, then the reference, taking the whole of this as my ranking reference. Okay, I close. So this one I simply says rank this value. Okay, rank the number which is in this cell from this reference, get its rank from this reference. So I make this absolute, this press enter. So I'll offer error handling at once, and I say if I don't want to see those zeros which will appear all in constant positions. If this array is equals to 0, put in nothing else, put the value, the result of the rank. Then I'll copy this for the rest of the other cells. So let us go and make a trial here. MOT, I'm going to add some sample marks. Just so I don't write something very big. I'm writing set for 23. And then end of term. Remember, we are developing as testing at the same time. 65, 36, this array, 36, and then handwriting, maybe 45, 47. So when we come back to this calculation sheet, it is updating automatically. Okay, the data has come and the position is also completed automatically. If we add another individual to this sheet, it will do the same. Okay, now after getting these positions, we have computed these positions here. Let us transfer them to the report now.